two parts. In the first part, I try to discuss briefly, maybe in 5 minutes or so. I will move on to discuss one significant aspect of cultural studies linked to cinema in particular, that is called fandom, the study of fandom, how fandom can be an object of critical inquiry. My talk is primarily meant for students, so I'll begin. You see, you know that cultural studies, the origin of cultural studies lies in two very famous works. The Uses of Literacy by Richard Hubbard and Culture and Society by Raymond Williams in 1950s. And these two works were foundational texts in the sense that they tried to bring the can be studied and provided by Matthew Arnold, which says के द्वारा जो सबसे उसका परिष्कृत रूप है जो सोचा गया है, the best of that has been, he says, the best of that has been thought and said. The best thought that has been said or written. So basically, culture is either oral or culture is written, and culture and also how culture needs to be distinguished from religion, and also definition of culture, which you can call a conservative definition of culture, and conservative is the crisis in literacy. In fact, you have to understand that with them, the definition of culture, the idea of culture, the concept of culture gets a transformation. So what culture becomes then? Basically, what they do, they produce the democratized and socialized conception of culture. Culture do not remain what Matthew Arnold called the best that has been thought and said. It does not remain the pinnacle or the summit of human civilization. It does not remain the ideal of perfection. You see, and that's why with this the idea of art also changes.
Challenge that how cultures are outside politically rooted in, that's what they want to argue, that they are rooted in the liberal discourse and rooted in exclusion, and obviously it deals with political since it's critical of existing political, social, hierarchical structures. And what Dr. Chaturvedi also developed and discussed at length in very lucid presentation of his was how cultural studies refrains from being judgmental and rests